Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I'll talk about the latest run of fileworked Swiss Army knives. The work is done by US artist Tom Stratton. We got that in March 2015. This time only 4 pieces. Some people did ask me for special fileworked Swiss Army knives, so we did that. Usually we do a bit more pieces, and the next run gonna be more pieces in some lavender, in burgundy and naranja orange color. This one is a black 93mm Pioneer. It's fully fileworked on the main blade. This Swiss Army knife is one of a kind, of course, like the others too. The filework is always different, and this one will go to Germany. So hopefully the people there enjoy that unique Swiss Army knife. Next one is a soldier Swiss Army knife in grey color. And we see there the main blade is also fileworked, of course. We see 3 crosses on this one. The filework is each time different, of course, and hopefully the camera will catch this as best as possible. Then we have a 93mm Apocalypse green carver. One of the blades is fileworked as well, the main blade there. We see over on the left side there is also a cross, and then some waving pattern. Last model is a 91mm camper, main blade also fileworked. As best as I remember, this one gonna go to Germany as well. Yeah, we are happy that Tom Stratton does this work. Still, it's a lot of work, and each one of those knives is still fully warranted by Victorinox. The factory warranty is still on, as we only do factory authorized work with Swiss Army knives. So that much about the latest run from Tom Stratton, who filework our Swiss Army knives.